launching system. We could only keep up that level of acceleration for 3 seconds, after which the drive had to be shut down. 3 seconds was more than we needed, or we were dead anyway. Our plan counted on the Maxolts recognizing the Flying Dutchman as the mystery ship that had led them and the Theranin on a merry chase across the stars before jumping through and breaking an Elder wormhole. Though the aft end of the Dutchman was now a Frankenstein collection of bolted-together components from the Roach Motel's junkyard, our ship was distinctive, and no way could the Maxolts miss seeing that we were the ship their government very much wanted to capture. Our lives and potential for mission success depended entirely on the sophisticated AIs in control of the target ships. If they were slow or confused and hesitated, or if they were aggressive and eager for glory by capturing us, we were dead, and I needed to self-destruct the ship. We were counting on the 2 AIs to act like Skippy expected rational intelligences to act. Their ships were on a vital mission. They had suddenly and unexpectedly encountered a threat,